Hey there, let's dive into 10 science-backed superfoods to actually lose visceral fat. No fad diets here.
So why is stubborn belly fat so hard to ditch? Well, it's not just about counting calories.
Visceral fat wraps deep around your organs. It's a massive inflammatory problem that completely tanks your metabolism. The real secret? Treat food like biological code. We gotta fix inflammation and insulin with our 3-part framework.
Act 1. The inflammation fighters. We're talking spirulina, salmon, ginger, and extra virgin olive oil.
First up, spirulina. Its active compound, phycocyanin, literally blocks the exact immune cells making your belly fat stubborn.
Plus, it's 60 to 70% protein. This incredibly dense superfood triggers hormones that totally kill your hunger.
Next is salmon. Omega-3s and protein are awesome, but its iodine literally sets your body's metabolic thermostat.
Then, grate some ginger. It gives a 2-for-1 advantage, cutting chronic inflammation while totally revving up fat-burning thermogenesis.
And ditch seed oils for cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil. Its oleocanthal fights inflammation just like natural ibuprofen.
All right, Act 2, the insulin optimizers. We've got grapefruit, avocado, and cinnamon to fix how you store energy.
Optimizing insulin is absolutely crucial. It shuttles glucose right into your muscles for fuel instead of storing fat.
Try eating the white pith of grapefruits. It has naringenin, which literally flips your genetic fat-burning switches.
And definitely don't fear avocados. One has up to 13 grams of fiber, completely slowing down your digestion.
Also, add cinnamon to your carbs. It forces energy right into your muscles and completely flattens glucose spikes.
Finally, Act 3, satiety and metabolism boosters. Green tea, chili peppers, and chia seeds totally hack your digestion. Brew some green tea before a workout. The chemical synergy literally keeps your fat-burning signals switched on longer.
Chili peppers might just burn 50 extra calories, but they powerfully crush your appetite for the next meal.
And chia seeds, they swell up 12 times in liquid. It creates a gel that keeps you full.
So here's your daily action plan. Build these superfood habits into a calorie deficit for real, lasting results.
Ready to stop obsessing over calories and start treating food as biological code? You've absolutely got this.